What's up, guys? I'm back again with my Traxxas hot rod coupe. As you might notice, it looked a little different than it did when I did the unboxing. There's good reason for that. I'm gonna get into that, but I just wanted to let y'all take a quick look before I got into all of the stuff that I had to do and what I ran into. But don't this look mean, y'all? I mean, I like it like this. I think I actually even like it better. It's like a happy accident, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead on and get a different angle with my camera so you guys can kind of see. I just wanted to get this little angle on my table here because I'm trying out a new camera tripod, little tabletop. But yeah, if I start doing this and showing you the car, it's gonna probably get my hands and arms are gonna get in the way like now. You know what I mean? You won't really see. So, you know what we finna do. Get back with the hat cam, and I'm just gonna break this thing down to you like I said, and then we're gonna get out and run it. So give me a second to switch up. Let me pop this, and I can show you a little bit more what's going on. Like I said, I put the front sway bar kit on here, and I put the rear sway bar kit on here. You really can't see the rear sway bar kit that good, in shadow and everything. Camera, my light angle is bad. Maybe I turn it this way. You can kind of see, well, you can see the diff case. Anyway, that's factory on this thing. It's gonna come with that one. It's the front one you're gonna need to buy. And if you don't want the front sway bars on here, too bad. You're gonna end up with the whole kit anyway, because they don't sell it individually separate like that. They sell you the whole kit. And of course, like I said, I'm a man of my word. It's now brushless. It's got the 4300 3652 brushless motor with the 60 amp ESC. Now, to be honest with you, I don't think I could run this on 3S. I think the numbers don't line up. I think 4300 kV and 60 amps don't let you go 3S. At least not on something this big, because it's gearing and all of that kind of thing, heat and such. I might try it just to see, you know what I mean? But as it stands now, I'm gonna be running this thing 2S. Everything else is factory. Like I said, I didn't change the spur. Haven't changed the differential cups. None of that stuff has changed. Everything else is still exactly the same. Oh, also, let me tell you, remember I said that I was gonna have to get with Traxxas about the body. I guess you're saying, well, if you was gonna cut the body up, why'd you even buy the Traxxas? Well, we wanna scratch the body. So this wound up, honestly, my experiment, because Traxxas was real cool. At first they said I was gonna have to send the body back. I don't really know why they said that, but okay, that's fine, but before I could actually even do that, I got another email from Traxxas, and also it came with a tracking number telling me I didn't have to worry about sending the body back, but they were sending out another body. So that kind of freed me up. Anyway, this is what I did to it. I'm gonna get out here. I still got the little, the little accents. I ain't really worried about all that. I'm not. It's not rubbing those little disc brake add-ons that they put on here. They're not bothering anything. I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna leave it on here. I like the look of it. So yeah, that's what I did to it. We finna get out here and run this thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell. Like I said, it's absolutely free. Don't cost you nothing. If you got any comments or questions, feel free. Happy to answer questions. I always can use a comment, let me know what you think, what I can do to improve the channel, all of those things. That it all helps. So, that being said, this is TKS Hobby. Y'all be blessed. Enjoy this running video. Peace.